Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about string literals and string object. Now friends, this notation which is in front of us, string str1 equals hello world, is nothing but known as string literal notation, and this is the recommended way as well. In here we can simply create a literal, for example str1, and we assign a string to it. Now how exactly it works in the background? In fact, this particular value hello world would be stored on a heap of memory, and definitely a address location would be stored on a stack. Now friends, this particular memory 301 will be nothing but the identity, the location for this variable hello world, and definitely whenever we would like to access the data, Java will check this memory location 321 and extract the information from the heap and dump it in front of the user. Now this is cool enough, this is the background detail, this is a good deal. But moving forward, for example, we create a yet another literal with a new name, for example str2, and the data of both of these variables are exactly same. What Java will do? Java will smartly handle the situation. Firstly, Java will check whether the same data is available in the heap or not, and if there is a same data available, then it won't create a new reference. It will simply use the same reference. Now definitely, for example, inside this str2 variable, we add some different string, then a new reference would be created. But as of now, we consider that str1 and str2 has exactly same data. In these kind of scenario, Java will definitely optimize and Java will refer to the same memory location. As a result, in the stack, we will have two entry str1 and str2 referring to the same memory location. That is something which will happen automatically, and Java will try to optimize the code. Alright. Now, as the memory location for str1 and str2 are same, if we try to check str1 equal to 2, the output would be true. Take a note of it. Alright, now moving forward, let us check yet another scenario. For example, we create a new object using the new keyword. So in here, for example, I type in string str3 equals new string hello world. This is which notation? This is the new notation, and we are creating an object of string type. Now this is definitely a feasible, a valid statement, but what happens in the background is, as we are creating an object, a new object would be created and a reference would be given, which is cool, which is nice till now. But for example, we create a yet another new object. For example, the name is str4. So in here, if I type in str4 equals new string hello world, then as I am explicitly using the new keyword, a new object would be created, a new reference would be created. Even though the value of str3 and str4 are exactly same, definitely two different references would be created. And now if we compare str3 with str4, the output would be false. Now what is the solution? Definitely we can also make use of dot equals method, and if we make use of dot equals method, then only Java will compare the values and we will get a proper output. So what is the moral of the story? Definitely dot equals method is a useful one, and whenever we compare different strings, dot equals method should be used. Alright, so what to do, how to do, whether to use object notation, whether to use literal notation, when to use what, right? In general scenario, use literal notation. That's the recommended way. It will enable the compiler to optimize our code. So whenever you are creating a For example, string variable, directly use the literal notation. For example, string str1 equal hello world. This is perfectly correct and recommended way. Creating a new object is not the recommended way, so go with the string literal notation. And moreover, always try to use the dot equals method. It will give you proper results for string comparisons. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.